And Mrs. Two-Wheeled and I are off for the Black Hills to see our friends Josh, Amy, Travis, and Allie for a great weekend of riding in the beautiful Black Hills. Enjoy the ride as we roll through the plains of South Dakota and eventually make our way westerly across to Pierre, South Dakota. The bridge behind me seems to always get struck by trucks, despite having a low clearance sign all along the route. It's a railroad bridge, and that thing has taken a beating over the years. We rolled into the Arby's in Pierre, South Dakota at about 2:15 local time.
I know.
Hi. How's it going?
What do you have to say?
It's hot. It's hot in Pierre.
That's what I was just gonna say. Where are we?
We are in Pierre, South Dakota, which is our capital.
What else do you know about Pierre?
It's in the middle of the state.
How many miles have we traveled?
I don't know. I'd have to look at my phone. I don't know how many miles it is from Watertown to Pierre.
We've traveled about 200 miles. So, I don't remember if I put this in the video last year, but we stopped here and ate on our last trip at the Arby's.
At the Arby's. They have the meats.
We're all loaded down. We didn't do any pictures when we left earlier. I probably could have taken my helmet off before doing this. Last time I think we ran into a little rain. This time it's nice and dry.
I didn't realize you were still recording me. You're such a goof.
After we got done eating, we thought we'd take a short little ride. It was like 2 or 3 blocks to the Missouri River and check out the water bank. And it wouldn't be a trip if we didn't stop and take some photos of the bikes. Here's one facing the bridge that goes over the Missouri River that we're gonna go over here soon. This is just a beautiful area with the hills and the water. Over that direction and about the center of the frame is our state's capital. And there it is, the Missouri River that separates the central and mountain time zones. We get on the outskirts of Pierre and head up the bluffs and check out the beautiful scenery of the rolling hills. This place is really weird. A lot of different buildings for sale, houses for sale. It's just kind of odd. The scenery out here is ever changing. It's just incredible. Mrs.TWOWHEELD did a great job pacing me. After about 250 miles of messing with this phone on this mount, as you can see what it's doing, I decided to pull it off and throw it in the windshield bag. Just as we thought we were making good time, we come across road construction. And it was just a sit and wait, take your turn, and hope that the next vehicle on the other side doesn't go. You can see a few went this time. Chicken with a semi? I hope not. I chose to get back in my lane. And let's go. But will this be the end of the construction? We twisted that throttle and away we go. Road construction's behind us. There won't be any more road construction this trip. Gravel. They had this bridge completely taken out. Let's get going. This is surely the end of the road construction for this trip. You guys can hear how washboarded this is. And sorry about all of these little clicks you hear. The mounting is not the tightest on this setup. Yes, a turn and flat ground again. Now we're done. Airplane fly over. 3, 2, 1. Fed up with road construction already. Let's go! construction and end up finding ourselves on a short little jaunt on I-29 to pull into Wall, South Dakota. They have a big, giant wooden jackalope. I'm not a very good cameraman. After riding around what seemed to be about 5 minutes, we finally settled on this parking lot to park the bikes in while we ventured around Wall Jug. Just gotta follow behind you.
Go in.
That's a cafe. This is a really historical place. Really cool how the buildings are all connected together, the architecture, and how they still have these, I don't even know what the proper term is, but these little spots to tie your horse up. We passed by a few different various shops, but we found ourselves at the main entrance, and I was shocked by what I saw. I'm just going to follow you. Okay.
Sophie's kind of store.
Of course, your wife would take you to the jewelry.
Oh.
So, that's what you want to do. Huh? I feel a little weird playing around with the camera, but it's just kind of cool how these are all connected.
Oh, it's out of order. I want to make a phone call. Dustin. It's rock. All right, moment of truth.
See if they have one.
See if they have my name.
Is that a big deal?
So souvenir stores like this never have Molly because Molly is more commonly a pet name than a child name. That's the one you need. Sassy.
I definitely wanted to record more of what Molly was saying about the tag that she found, but out of the whole time we were in this place, there's no music until the moment there was actually something important. Oh, it's a chat window, huh?
You know what we need to find? Ice cream. Ice cream. I mean, we're getting close. Got cream and butter and fudge.
Yeah.
Or cream butter and he's talking.
That does sound good.
It's kind of freaking me out.
Go get historical photos.
Gonna do that?
What's that?
Take our historical photo.
No. As we turned and headed back towards the front door, there was a bunch of chipmunks talking. We clearly did not go in all of these shops.
That's cute.
Yeah, she took 4 bites of it.
You know how old these wood posts are?
Hey, you wanna go to Harley?
Yeah.
He's giving me the eye. Do you need a t-shirt?
It's probably more than just t-shirts in there.
You say they, huh? I mean, there's teenagers are scary. You need stickers. You rock. Hey Dustin, where are we walking to?
Oh, maybe our subscribers should try to guess.
Do they have ice cream here?
Oh, maybe. Is this the ice cream shop?
After you, my love.
Okay. Hi. Can I give you a shirt?
Remember the rule was we rode to the
Right.
Harley dealer.
Right.
We are legally obligated to buy ourselves a new shirt.
This was a nice Harley Davidson outlet store. We ended up doing a little browsing and ultimately ended up leaving with a couple of chips.
Thinking. Trying to check in at Badlands Harley Davidson, and I forgot I was recording our ride from Watertown. Oh look, okay, so finally finished. I think. Finish?
But we gotta finish.
Gotta finish.
But no, we gotta keep doing our ride.
Yeah, I know. I'll have to restart it. Piece it all together.
And I couldn't do any recording in there because of music, so I don't get a copyright strike. Just like when Molly was talking about the keychain that she found, which I thought she was walking behind me just now.
Sorry, your mom needs us. She asked if she can call me.
As our friend Travis would say, when the F did we get ice cream? Okay, now that we're sitting down.
Now that we're sitting down, I'm seated. We got ice cream. This is, what do we say? Cherry cheesecake. And it's not as soft as I thought it was going to be. That's good. That's good ice cream. You should have some before I eat it.
We finished our ice cream, downed a little water, geared back up, and headed back on the interstate towards Rapid City, chasing the sun. 6:30 local time, making this total trip so far about an 8-hour adventure. All right, Two-Wheeled friends, we are the first ones to our house for the night, so let's do a little investigating.
We joked that we were going to jump on all the beds.
Yep.
Maybe we'll just roll around. This one kind of feels like our bed at home.
Annie?
Eenie?
If we seriously haven't walked through yet. This weird.
Oh, look at the cute little bathroom.
Aww.
Aww. Okay. We have to take our shoes off
downstairs.
if we go down.
We don't need those on. Or we should just take them off.
This must be the master suite. Yep. They get
Ooh.
their own closet, their own bathroom. Fancy.
Thought turning all the lights on.
Right.
Nice stand-up shower. I guess all showers are stand-up.
Living space. You know what I really appreciate?
No neighbors in the back.
I appreciate Airbnbs that have a washer dryer.
Back to your scheduled program. We took our shoes off. Oh, they've been on for like, what, 8 hours?
Yep.
Made pretty good time, even with our stop at Wall Drug. Garage.
Not too bad. We'll fit some bikes.
Should fit all the bikes for the night.
Gotta be careful of some cat litter
Yeah.
on the floor. This is a closet. I've already verified it's a closet.
Pantry?
It's locked.
Yeah, they got all the goodies in there.
They got all the good booze in there. Oh, that's the sweetest thing ever. Please enjoy some s'mores on us.
Nice.
That's sweet.
Didn't even notice that fire pit out there when I walked up here. Sweet.
Nice.
It's definitely peaceful here. Kind of off the beaten path. All right, ringleader.
Am I going?
Wrong one.
Wrong one. I like the feel of new carpet. Wow.
Oh, I forgot about this.
This is, wow. Can we have a house like this? Tornado shelter. I like that there's a fan in there. Banyo. Oh, weird. No? Oh, there it goes. Another bedroom.
You don't need to look in all the closets
It's a walk-in closet.
because we're not living in the closets.
Oh. I'm moving to the closet.
Another bathroom. It's got the same shower head as the shower upstairs. I like the fixtures.
Yeah. Sweet. There's another closet. Oh,
Mechanical.
mechanical.
And the next bedroom. And that's got a standard 2-door closet.
Which room you want?
Oh. Might be kind of cold down here. I'd be fine with that first one upstairs.
How about this? Just do this. Oh, it works. Oh, my white shirt's brown. That's what happens when you wear white on a motorcycle.
Yep.
It gets dirty.
Yep. When you travel 400 miles,
Yeah.
nearly.
And a brand new, well, mostly brand new leather bag.
Yep.
Satchel bag.
Okay.
I like this. We need one of these.
My ears feel really weird after being on a motorcycle all day.
Yeah.
There you have it. There's my messy hair. You haven't seen much of me and up through some of these videos, but no hat, helmet off.
You can tell where we walked.
Yeah. So we're gonna head back upstairs, unpack our stuff off the bike, and get situated for the night, figure out what we're gonna eat, wait for the rest of the crew. We hopped on the bikes and headed to a local place to eat. It was maybe like a mile and a half from where we were staying, so we thought it would be nice, close, quick, convenient to get some bar food, and they had live music playing, so I wasn't able to record as much inside as I had hoped to.
Rolling!
There's always something when you're a motovlogger.
Love some CCR. What's up?
It's dark.
It's very dark. Hi!
Shipwrecks, bar and grill, like on the outskirts of Rapid City.
It was like a mile and a half from our Airbnb, so it was super convenient.
It's really close.
Unfortunately.
Sorry.
Nope, I was saying unfortunately.
It's really close. Oh, do you want to say it?
I'm done.
Here.
No.
Sorry, I didn't know what you were going to say.
No, I was gonna say, unfortunately, it's on this slope, so being on a motorcycle is a little problematic.
Probably can't see it. You see how high that vehicle is. Or watch these lights come by.
America.
But it is on the road that Sean, who lives just south of here, told us that we need to ride. But we didn't get here early enough to get on it for a ride. But being it's close to where we're staying, maybe we can hit this road before we get out of town. We'll see. They had live music, so I wasn't able to record anything. I was going to record what we got to eat and talk a little bit, but you know how that goes with demonetization. So
I had fish and chips.
yeah, and I had a patty melt. It was really good. Sweet potato fries I had.
Yep.
Overly full, so. And we're being weirdos standing out in the parking lot talking.
And people are walking by and looking at us
Yeah.
like, what are they doing?
But we're gonna go back to our Airbnb for the night, and
Wait
I
for
don't
a
know if
friend.
this will be the end of the night, end of the video or not. If it is, we'll do a day 2. If it's not, you'll see more. But if not, peace out.